Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Is that them again?
Yeah.
City government? There's somebody calling and hanging up from the Glendale City government.
Okay, I could not hear anything. Did they not say anything?
No,
Nope,
they
she didn't say a thing.
All I heard was Michelle saying hello.
Right.
Okay.
This is the kind of harassment we're experiencing, ma'am. We need the county attorney that has jurisdiction over these clowns to stop this nonsense. Could you please help the public?
Can you please give me John Goodman's number and I'll call him regarding that Peoria departmental report?
We'll call him right now on this phone. Right? Okay.
773. 7414.
Glendale City again.
Glendale City again. Let's see. Hello?
Hi, is this Mr. Carr?
Yes, it is.
Hey, I tried calling from 2 different phones.
Facilitated the transaction in your possession that was faxed to you, as well as a signature receipt with Mr. David. Yes?
Well, my question was, do you have something from the credit card company as far as when you actually cut off the card at Shannon?
Yeah. No, I don't have anything from them for that. You just call them and you say, shut it off. That would have been in June.
Okay, so sometime in June?
Pardon me?
It was sometime in June?
Sometime last June, yeah.
Okay, that's what I needed to know. Okay, I'll include that in my report and I'll submit it off today.
Before you go, would you please help us confirm that you received this stuff? Johnny, where's that stuff I handed you to read the
I handed it back to you.
affidavit and so on?
Yeah, Mr. Gentry, or Mr. Carr, I have all that stuff.
Okay, so you have the signature receipt from Skipper's Lounge with David Orsburn signing Shannon Daly's name?
Yes, I'll attach all that to the report.
And you understand that that's a fictitious name, right? An assumed name on a credit card? That's a felony crime. You're aware of that, right?
I'm aware of what?
That Mr. Orsburn signed the name Shannon Daly, which is an assumed name also appearing on the credit card. So a man signs a woman's name of an assumed name on a credit card. We have felony forgery, felony fraud, and a felony for using an assumed name by Miss Gentry to facilitate this through her accomplice, Mr. Orsburn. Correct?
I'll submit the packet by the end of the day.
I'm asking you to clarify, sir, that these are felony crimes.
Well, my impression is that that's an alias that was or is being used by Shannon, and that's not for me to decide whether she can use that name or not.
I'm asking you, if a man walks into a bar, gets a $100 advance on a credit card using an assumed alias, and signs a woman's name, that's forgery and fraud. You're a detective, correct?
Yes, Mr. Carr, I am.
Is it a felony crime, yes or no?
Yes, it is.
Then would you please arrest Mr. Orsburn? I'm the victim.
I will submit the case by the end of the day.
I'm asking you to arrest the man. He's been stalking us through Miss Gentry and her people.
Based on the case that I have and the interviews that I received, I will not arrest him today. No.
Are you aware that Miss Gentry has violated a protection order over 2 months ago?
Stating.
And has called and threatened another woman's life now in the process of this?
Okay, now you're giving me another report. Do you have a report number for that?
Yes, it's been reported to Peoria, and the county attorney that's on the line right now can't even get Peoria to return phone calls.
Okay, so now you want me to act on Peoria's report?
No, you asked me, do I have a report number? Yes, I do. And these people are hiding out in Glendale.
saying that they have contacts within the police and are using them against us.
People's lives are in danger, sir. You're a deputy you're a detective that's just acknowledged a felony crime has occurred. Want the man arrested today.
I did not say that he committed a felony crime.
Yes, you did.
You have the evidence before you. You have a copy of that signature card and an affidavit of the woman that did the transaction.
Unfortunately, there's two different sides.
Have you contacted Carol Martin?
Yes, Mr. Carr.
Okay, and what did she say? She tell you about the drugs and the children being kept in the car while Miss Gentry sits on a bar stool and commits felony crimes? She tell you about her methamphetamine use? How do you want me to respond to that is what you're asking somebody. Who else is in the room, sir?
Supervisor Kent Livingston is in here as well.
Kent Livingston is who? What's his title?
Sergeant?
Sergeant? Sergeant, we got people that are committing felony crimes all over the county that are not being acted on by Glendale.
Sir?
I'd like to talk to Internal Affairs when this call's completed here with the detective.
Welcome to make that call. I'm going to tell you that we have hundreds of cases that we work.
That's right, and we've got 2 children in danger. Their name is Caitlin Kozer, Sue-Ann Kozer. CPS cases that are being raised as criminals by a mother that needs help so desperately that if she doesn't get it, those children are not just in danger, but so is another woman living in Peoria now.
Sure. Based upon the amount of cases that we have to work, sometimes we have to take the quickest approach to getting these things adjudicated or get the cases worked and move on. And in order to do that, sometimes, and I don't know all the facts of this case, Detective Keefer came into my office because none of the phones in here were working. I don't know how you're hearing me or not, but sometimes we submit those cases to the county attorney and then we move on to the next one.
We're asking you to submit it to the county attorney today.
Okay. We'll submit it when the case is ready to be submitted.
And why is it not ready now?
No, Detective Keefer just said he would submit it today.
Yeah, Detective Keefer just said he'd do it today.
Okay.
No, Keefer's the other guy in the room. What's the detective's name, please, and badge number?
That's me, Mr. Carr. I'm Detective Keefer. It's K-E-E. F as in Frank, E-R. We've been...
And what's the other voice that we're recording here?
Livingston.
Livingston, and your title there is?
Sergeant.
Sergeant Livingston. Badge number, please?
8726.
8726.
And Keefer?
Keefer. It's K-E-E.
Uh-huh.
F as in Frank, E-R.
And your number?
Your badge number?
859.
859. Okay.
85928.
Grab that FBI file. We're going to let them know again, too. Okay.
If you've got issues with child flag, CPS cases, CPS is going to have to handle that kind of stuff.
Well, they don't.
Handling anything.
They
That's
don't.
the problem.
Miss Gentry's getting protection that's not,
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, there are no police officers protecting anyone in this department.
Well, she certainly claims that she's got protection and contacts in Peoria.
You can claim all she wants. I can't speak for Peoria, but I'm going to speak for Glendale. We don't do that.
Okay, well, we just were advised that you're referring this to the county attorney for prosecution. We've asked for that. Okay, and then we've just acknowledged that a felony forgery has happened here.
Correct.
Okay, Mr. Orsburn is dangerous. Okay?
If you've got issues of violating orders of protection, we work forgeries and property crimes. We don't work violation of court orders. That's going to be another, if it's Glendale that we're talking about where these occurred or Peoria, I can't help you if it's happening in Peoria.
It's both.
Okay? That's going to be a different squad. That's going to be different.
That's already been, a judge has already signed his name to have that referred to the county attorney. It's just that Peoria doesn't do it.
Hey, well, I can't help you. I can't make Peoria move any faster. That's something you got to go through their chain of command to do that. I can't pull any strings. I can't do anything. I can take care of things here in Glendale.
Nobody's asking you to pull strings, sir.
I'm just telling. Well, you had said you wanted stuff done that's occurring in Peoria.
Yes, I want David Orsburn picked up for forgery in your jurisdiction for committing that crime in Glendale. You have a copy of the receipt, you have the affidavit of the person doing the transaction, and you have his address. Do you not?
Yes, listen to me.
Let's verify that you have his address first off.
Listen to me. I don't need to do that.
I do.
I'm telling you.
For ease of peace of mind and the victim to the crime, I would like you to verify that you have Mr. Orsburn's work address and his home address.
Got it. I'm going to go with it. We got it. Now, what I'm going to tell you is we have the option. Okay, it's our decision, our discretion to either arrest people or submit charges to the county attorney. Detective Keefer's made the determination, and I'm going to back him up, that we're going to submit the charges to the county attorney. That means we're not going to go out and arrest him. Once the county attorney has reviewed the case, they find probable cause, they issue a warrant for his arrest, whatever it might be.
You've already got probable cause.
Okay, I'm telling you.
You got a sworn statement. Witness, eyewitness.
Probable cause gives us the option to arrest them right now or submit to the county attorney.
I would like you to prepare the criminal complaint so I can sign it today.
You don't have to sign it.
I do have to sign it. I'm pressing these charges and I'll affect the citizen's arrest if the police don't do their job.
Well, it's going down to the county attorney, and then once...
Doesn't matter. I can still arrest them and turn them over for a felony crime.
Right, and they'll call us if they need clarification, but that's Detective Keefer's job.